Get acquainted with the 2017 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, power door locks. Feel energized and confident in this well-equipped Jetta. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.